So today I will be showing you how to make coffee on a hotel coffee maker. Single cup. So today you gotta make sure you have your cup, the coffee you'll be making, the little tray that you insert the coffee pouch in, the lid for your coffee cup. Put this around the coffee cup so you don't burn your hand. It's like a koozie. And sugar packets. No creamer because I don't like cream in my coffee. So, first, and a bottle of water because you have to put it in the top. So first you put the water in the top. Fill it up to the line. That way you have enough water to make your coffee. You grab your coffee pouch. Open it up. Put this into the insert and you slide it in. Make sure it's in there. Shut the top. Then you open up your mug or your cup that you're going to be using. Place it underneath the coffee maker and then press start. And then the red light will pop on and that means it's brewing. So we let that brew. And then once your coffee is dispensing, as it is now, just a little bit, you make sure that you have your koozie ready, right here. That way you can place your coffee mug or cup into here. And once that is done brewing, you have your cup of coffee. I like putting the lid on, that way it stays warm. And then you add however many packets of sugar you would like into your coffee. Put that away. And use the stir sticks to stir up your coffee. And that is how you make coffee on a hotel coffee maker.